Rich people employ asset protection specialists to be able to make sure that their wealth is preserved from any particular lawsuit. And that's what I'm going to talk to you about today, is about how do we protect the assets and hide them from people being able to find out about them. The way that we do this is by using anonymous trusts. You already know about the LLC and the protections that an LLC is going to give you in terms of anybody trying to sue you and get you your assets. What you might not know is that as a matter of public record and traditional filing that you would do off of one of these websites or perhaps through any type of average CPA or attorney, is that now everybody knows what your LLC is. Well, what we use is a trust. You can use a trust to be able to own the LLC. Well, trusts are private documents, so nobody would be able to find out who actually owns that trust or is the beneficiary of that trust. As such, you can own the LLC anonymously. You also know that the ultimate goal of actually having this LLC is to hold the asset. Your ultimate goal for this piece of property. This piece of property has a deed, and on that deed, it says who owns it. Well, if that's your LLC, then people can connect it up to your company structure. If it's you, now they know that you own it. That's your worst case scenario. But you might have not known that a trust itself can actually be the title holder to the property. This keeps anybody from being able to connect your property to your company. So in effect, you have complete anonymity. Nobody can find out who owns your company, and nobody can find out who owns your property. My name is Scott Royal Smith, and I'm an asset protection attorney specializing in real estate. I'm a real estate investor myself, and I'd like to help you.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want more high quality content just like this, you can find it here on our YouTube channel or go into our website, royallegalsolutions.com. We have a ton of free content from our blogs, our videos, the podcasts that I have been featured on. Whatever question you have, we're going to have it there for you.